Earth is under pressure like a soda bottle ready to burst. Every day our cars, factories and power plants pump greenhouse gases into the air. Carbon dioxide and methane form an invisible blanket, trapping heat and warming the planet. This isn't just about hotter days, it's about extreme weather, rising seas and disrupted ecosystems. We're running a massive experiment on our only home and the results are alarming. Air pollution is another threat. Smog, tiny particles and chemicals from burning fossil fuels harm our lungs and hearts. It's a double whammy: long-term climate change and immediate health risks. The scale of the problem is huge, but challenges drive innovation. Science and engineering are our best hope. We need to clean up our act, and maybe, just maybe, nature already has a solution. The atmosphere has its own way of cleaning itself, but we're overwhelming it. The question is, can we help nature do its job? The answer might surprise you. Let's meet the molecule at the heart of Earth's self-cleaning system. The story of hope starts here. The atmosphere isn't empty, it's a chemical laboratory with its own cleanup crew: hydroxyl radicals. Think of them as the air's natural detergents, eager to react with pollutants. They're created when sunlight hits ozone and water vapor, forming highly reactive molecules called O. These radicals hunt down pollutants like methane, carbon monoxide, and VOCs, breaking them apart in seconds. Hydroxyls are nature's way of scrubbing the air clean, 24/7. But there's a problem: we're producing pollution faster than nature can clean it up. Imagine trying to mop up a flood with a single sponge. The mess is just too big. Methane and other pollutants are building up because the natural system is overwhelmed. To restore balance, we need more hydroxyl radicals. What if we could boost nature's cleaning crew? That's where science steps in. By mimicking the sun's chemistry, we can help the atmosphere heal itself. The next step: building a hydroxyl factory. Let's see how technology can amplify nature's own solution. The future of clean air might be closer than you think. It's time to supercharge the planet's natural defenses. The answer lies in harnessing the power of the hydroxyl radical. Here's how it works. Reduction Tech's breakthrough is a thermocatalytic hydroxyl emitter system, an innovation that doesn't rely on sunlight, but on advanced catalysts and heat. Instead of mimicking nature's sunlight-driven chemistry, this system uses a heated catalyst to generate hydroxyl radicals, OH, on demand. The process starts when polluted air passes over the catalyst, triggering a reaction that forms clouds of hydroxyl radicals. These highly reactive molecules are then dispersed into the surrounding air using powerful fans. Once released, hydroxyl radicals rapidly break down harmful gases like methane and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, transforming them into harmless substances. Unlike filters that only trap particles, this system destroys pollutants at the molecular level. The process is clean. Hydroxyls do their job and vanish, leaving only water vapor behind. By placing these units in pollution hotspots, we can dramatically accelerate atmospheric cleaning. It's like giving the air a deep clean, right where it's needed most. This isn't just theory, it's a practical, scalable solution. With enough units, we can help the atmosphere catch up and start to heal. Let's look closer at the technology making this possible. This approach is called the Genesis effect, restoring the atmosphere's natural cleaning power. We're not overpowering nature, but working with it, boosting its chemistry to pre-industrial levels. By generating hydroxyl radicals, we create zones where air is scrubbed clean of methane and other pollutants. Imagine thousands of these units worldwide, each restoring balance to local air. It's a network of restoration, not a single magic bullet. The beauty is in its harmony with nature, using water, light, and native chemistry. We're not adding anything foreign, just increasing a beneficial, short-lived molecule. This is a hopeful, restorative path, helping Earth's immune system fight pollution and climate change. Now let's see what's inside these machines. The heart of this system is the hydroxyl emitter, a device that uses a thermocatalytic reactor to generate hydroxyl radicals from air and water vapor. The process starts when air and water vapor enter the reactor chamber. Inside, a catalyst and controlled heat trigger a reaction, splitting water molecules to form highly reactive hydroxyl radicals. These radicals are immediately dispersed into the surrounding air, where they break down pollutants on contact. The system is efficient, safe, and fully contained. No harmful byproducts, just cleaner air. It's a closed-loop process: polluted air in, purified air out. Powered by renewable energy, the hydroxyl emitter is designed for maximum benefit and minimal footprint. This is real-world engineering, solving air pollution with science and innovation. Let's explore the ripple effects of this technology. Hydroxyl dispersal isn't just about climate, it's about healthier air, water, and ecosystems. Cleaner air means fewer asthma attacks, less heart disease, and better quality of life, especially in polluted cities. Scrubbing pollutants like nitrogen oxides and VOCs reduces smog and hospital visits. Removing acid rain precursors protects forests, crops, and aquatic life. Cleaner water and healthier soils follow, benefiting entire ecosystems. Wildlife thrives as pollution drops. Plants grow stronger. Fish populations rebound. This technology is a climate tool, a public health tool, and a conservation tool. In one, communities long burdened by pollution could finally breathe freely. The benefits ripple out: healthier people, restored nature, and a more resilient planet. It's a package deal for a better world. But does it work outside the lab? Let's see what happens when science meets the real world. The next chapter unfolds in Kamloops, Canada. To demonstrate the promise of this technology, Reduction Tech is preparing a major pilot project. The site? Kamloops, British Columbia, chosen for its unique environment and community support. Engineers and scientists are deep in the planning phase, designing a full-scale demonstration unit. Blueprints, simulations, and site surveys are underway to ensure every detail is ready for construction. The pilot is scheduled to break ground in early 2026, with teams preparing equipment and logistics. Once operational, the system will be closely monitored for safety and effectiveness. Independent experts will review the results, ensuring transparency and trust. If successful, this pilot could mark a turning point, showing the world what's possible. The countdown to Kamloops 2026 has begun. Some climate tech sounds risky, like solar radiation management, which reflects sunlight but doesn't fix pollution. SRM is controversial, masking symptoms without solving the root problem, and could have dangerous side effects. Hydroxyl dispersal is different. It removes greenhouse gases and pollutants, directly restoring the atmosphere's natural balance. It's localized, scalable, and based on a natural, short-lived process. We can deploy it where it's needed, turn it on or off, and avoid global risks. This is a restorative, not interventional technology, working with nature, not against it. It addresses climate change, air pollution, and acid rain all at once. The safer, holistic path is clear. Science fiction? No, this is science in action. Let's imagine what a cleaner planet could look like. Picture a world where hydroxyl technology is everywhere. Cities once choked by smog now have blue skies and clean air. Breathing is easy and health improves for everyone. Methane levels drop, slowing global warming and buying us time to shift to renewables. Crops grow stronger, forests recover, and rivers run clean. Wildlife rebounds and ecosystems heal. This isn't just about avoiding disaster, it's about building a vibrant, resilient planet. Technology and nature working together for a better future. The co-benefits reach every community. This vision is within reach, if we act. The final step, turning hope into action. We're at a crossroads. Climate change and pollution threaten our future, but solutions are within reach. Hydroxyl dispersal is a powerful tool, not a silver bullet, but a real step forward. We need rigorous research, open science, and public support to scale it up safely. Policymakers and communities must get involved, investing in solutions that benefit health and the environment. Change happens when people demand it. Your voice matters. Let's embrace the challenge with optimism and ingenuity. Support the science, imagine the future, and help build it. The world we want is possible, cleaner, healthier, and more stable. Let's be the generation that took action and cleaned the air for everyone. The future is in our hands. Let's get to work.